Turns out every once in a while someone amazing comes into your life, so here the fuck I am.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So in today's video we're going to install the two new throttle cables that I got, the clutch cable. I also got some levers that I'm going to install as well, and then a crankcase breather filter, I guess you would call it. So yeah, stay tuned. Cheers.
Nice.
Okay, so I ended up having issues with my throttle cable when I was trying to install the carbs, as you could see. So I realized I had the throttle cables not routed correctly. They're supposed to go under here behind this little engine mount bracket. So I guess like a word of advice, just when you're taking stuff out and apart, just make sure you're paying attention to where it goes back to, because I made the mistake of not doing that. So save yourself the headache in the future and learn from my failures. All right, back to installing. Cheers. Whew. Just stabbed myself now. Okay, so quick little update. I've got all these different, I don't even know what you would call these, but they like screw into the perch so you can connect your clutch cable to it. The two that I had that came with these levers and then a different perch I had, the end of this housing doesn't actually fit into it, but thankfully I still have the OEM one, so I'm just going to install the OEM one into my new perch and clutch lever. So if you run into that same issue, for some reason the OEM Honda clutch cable housing doesn't fit in to these universal ones, this one actually slides in there, so we can use that. And I've already checked and it actually threads into the perch, so we got lucky there. All right, so let's finish installing this clutch cable.
Nice.
Alright, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if I can build a bike, you can build a bike. Cheers.